All right, all right, we are back again. This is the Bogarts Kids Coding Academy, and my own name is Ayomikosi. I'm sure you know that already. If you have been following us, you know that. Wait. Is it that you have not subscribed? Hey, what are you waiting for? No, that means you will not be getting our videos. Oh no. Please subscribe now. And after the video, if you love what we do, please like, comment, share. We would definitely appreciate it. So today we want to continue from where we stopped. We are looking at busting the balloon. Busting the balloon. So this is part 2. Busting the balloon, part 2. Alright, so let's click on the green flag. Let's see what we were doing. Okay, the balloon are coming up. We want to bust the balloon. Okay, this is where we stop. Okay. But there is nothing to bust the balloon. Oh, okay. What do you think? Maybe we need something like a gun or something to bust the balloon. Okay, I would suggest we do something like a compass. Okay, these guns, they have compass, right? Guns have compass whereby you can able to target, the whatever that you want to shoot. So we are going to be drawing a compass. Okay, so we are going to come to sprite, but I won't click on it. I'll just slide down and click on paint. So we want to draw the compass. How does it look like? I think it looks like a circle, then the cross line. Okay, so we're gonna change the color. Let's choose color red. I'm gonna make it thick. I think I like this. Okay, so let's draw the circle first. We're drawing the circle. This is not what I want to do. I want the circle outline, okay, to be red. Then the circle itself should not have a field color. So this one I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go back to select tool. Okay, I'm gonna change it. I don't want any color. So I'm going to make it cut color that I want. Okay, so what do you think? So I have to increase the outline. I want it to be thicker. I think 10 is okay. So the next thing is to draw the line. We're gonna draw the line. I think it's okay. Let me draw another one. Or I can just copy these and paste. But let me just draw another one. I will just be careful to make sure that it's well balanced. I can just adjust this. I'm going to use my select tool to adjust this. Okay, bring it down. I think it's okay. Kind of big. Now I can target. I think I can target any balloon right now. Okay. So let me go back to code. So I want to control this compass. Okay, I want to control it. So what I'm going to do is to say that when the green flag is clicked, then on the controller I have forever, because I want the operation to occur forever. Go to motion, go to mouse pointer. Yes, I want the compass to go to the mouse pointer every time. So when I click on the green flag, can you see that? Okay. I don't like the way it's kind of far, but it's still okay. Yours might not be like that. Okay, yours might not be like that. Okay. So I can bust, but it's not busting. I'm clicking, but it's not busting. So I have to give the instruction. So let me go back to balloon. So I have to give the instruction. Here we have forever change y by 5. So now control now. If okay, if touching under sensing, if touching sprite, that's the compass, sprite 2, if touching sprite 2. So is it just touching? No. If mouse down, that is if I click on it. So if I click on it, so we need another if again. If touching and if mouse down. Okay, if mouse down. Can you see that? So what should happen? It should delete the clone. That's under control. It should delete the clone. So that means the balloon is burst. Okay, delete this clone. Let's see. Okay. Oh my god, I'm busting right now. Oh my god. Okay, I'm busting right now. Can you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Let me readjust this. It'll be 0, 0. So I'm going to give it an instruction because of the movements. When the green flag is clicked, motion, it should go to this position every time, so that even when maybe due to playing the thing shifted, I can make it go back to the position whenever I click the green flag. Can you see that? If I move it, if I click on the green flag, it will go back there. Yeah. So now I would want it also to disappear when it touched the edge. Okay, so I'm going back to balloon. So I will just bring in another if again. Bring in if touching the edge, under sensing, if touching edge. That's the edge, any head, but I know that it's going to be touching only this edge, any edge. Delete this clone. Delete this clone. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, can you see that? There is one here. I think it's because of the first one. The first one is not hiding. So what I'm going to do is under looks, I'm going to say hide. Then I'm going to bring in show, show, so that can you see that? That one is not showing again. The one that is here. I'm also seeing one here. Why? Is it there? I have delete if touching edge, delete this clone. That's what I have there. So what is the matter? Wow, what's happening right there? Why is it not delete if touching edge, delete this clone? It should delete. What is happening? My god. Okay. I don't know what is happening right here, but I think it's supposed to delete the clone. I think it was actually deleting the clone earlier. Yeah, it was. It was deleting the clone earlier. Go balloon. Let's debug what is happening here. Okay, I have the if inside it. Can you see? That's the reason for debugging. Can you see now? Can you see that? Alright, so that's a little mistake that we made. Okay, so we've rectified. We call this debugging. This is what we call debugging. Debugging means detecting error, looking for the error, and fixing the error. So we discover that there is a problem somewhere, and we look at the code very well, and we realize it's the error, and we fix it. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to continue from here in the next class. Yes, we're going to continue from here in the next class. In the next class, we're going to be adding scores. Yes, how many balloons do I bust? Yeah, I'm going to add this scores. Then also we're going to add in game over. Yeah, game over. You cannot just be playing and playing. There's be a challenge. Yeah, there's be a challenge. So we're going to add a score and game over. Game over. All right. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. Like now, as I'm here, just subscribe right away. Yeah. Then also you like this video. I'm sure you like it. So just like. You love what we, no, just like. No. Why would you like? So you like, you comment that you want the next video. Comment that you want the next video. Okay? Bye.